The P1 error code on your Toshiba portable air conditioner indicates that the internal drain tank is full and needs attention. However, this error often appears even when the tank appears to be empty, which can be confusing for users. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to address this issue, starting with the most basic but important safety step. Next, you need to locate the drain tank or drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom or back of your unit. Here's what a typical drain setup looks like. The drain hose connects to the back of the unit and should lead to a collection bucket or drain. Even if the tank appears empty, you should still go through the complete draining process, as there may be residual water or the sensor may be malfunctioning. If the P1 error persists after complete drainage, the issue is likely with the water level sensor, which may be giving false readings even when the tank is actually empty. Remember, even if your drain tank appears empty, always complete the full drainage process, as the P1 error often indicates sensor issues rather than actual water presence. When emptying the tank doesn't resolve the P1 error, the next step is inspecting the drain plug for proper sealing and checking the entire drainage system. Use specialized cleaning tools like small brushes or pipe cleaners to clear any debris from the drain port. This prevents clogs that can trigger false P1 errors. After mechanical cleaning, flush the drainage system with distilled water or a mild vinegar solution to remove any remaining buildup and ensure proper water flow. Ensure your air conditioner is positioned on a completely level surface. An unlevel unit can prevent proper drainage and cause water to pool incorrectly, triggering the P1 error. Regular air filter cleaning is crucial for preventing excessive condensation. A dirty filter forces the unit to work harder, producing more moisture and potentially overwhelming the drainage system. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the P1 error, a faulty sensor is likely the cause. Contact a qualified technician or Toshiba customer service, especially if your unit is still under warranty.